How to get new app users on Temu. Want to get more people to join Temu and maybe earn some rewards? Let me show you how to invite new users in just a few quick steps. Hi there and welcome to One Stop Solution. First, open up the Temu app on your phone and make sure you are logged in. Next, tap the U button at the bottom of the screen to go to your profile page. At the top of your profile page, you will see the gear icon. Tap on it to access your settings. Scroll through the settings and look for the Share this app option. Tap on it to invite your friends. You will see various ways to share the link like through Messenger, Facebook, Message, and more. I'm going to send the link via WhatsApp. Send the link to your friend, and once they download the Temu app using the link, you have successfully added a new user on Temu. And that's it. You have just invited a new user to Temu. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and don't forget to tap the bell icon for notifications. Thanks for watching.